Today's topic is basic proportionality theorem or the Thales theorem from the chapter triangles of class 10 mathematics. What is the Thales theorem says? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. If a line is drawn parallel to the one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio like. If A, B, C is a triangle, a line parallel to the base BC intersect the two sides at the points D and E. This line is parallel to the base. Then it divides in the ratio AD upon BD equal to AE upon EC. We have to prove AD upon BD equal to AE upon EC. Given a triangle ABC, a line parallel to BC intersect D and E. To prove AD upon BD equal to AE upon EC. Next, construction. Join BE and CD and draw perpendicular EL on AB and DM on AC. EL perpendicular on AB and DM perpendicular on AC. This is the construction. A proof. See the proof of triangle BEC. This triangle, area of triangle BEC equal to area of triangle BDC. BEC equal to BDC because these two triangles lies between same base, lies between same parallel line and having common base. The area of triangle BDC right here. Area triangle BDC equal to area of triangle BEC. Next, we have to take the ratio of triangles area of triangle ADE to the area of triangle BDE. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE. BDE means ADE and BDE on the line AB. These two triangles line on AB. ADE, BDE. Area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. The base is AD and height is DE. And 1 by 2 base is BD and height is DE. Sorry, DE. EL. The height is EL. Not the DE, EL. Height is DL. The perpendicular line EL. Height, base into height 1 by 2. By cancel 1 by 2 and EL, we get AD upon BD. This one is first equation. This is second. Next, area of triangle AED and area of triangle CED. Yani area of triangle AED or the ADE, area of triangle AED, CED, not the AED, CED. Area of AD is 1 by 2, base is AE and perpendicular is DM. AE into DM. Here is 1 by 2, CE into dm. Cancel dm and half, we get AE upon CE. This is the second equation. From 1, 2 and 3, from first, area of BD is equal to BEC, area of BD is equal to DEC, this area equal to, and AD equal to AD. So these two equations from 1, 2 and 3, equation 2 equal to equation 3. From 1, 2 and 3, we get AD upon BD equal to AE upon CE. This is the Thales theorem. Hence proved AD upon BD equal to AE upon CE. Again, see here. Here is a triangle ABC. L is a line parallel to the BC. It intersects AB at D and AC at E. We have to prove AD upon BD equal to AE upon CE. Right here, next construction, join BE and CD. EL perpendicular on AB and DM perpendicular on AC. Area of BDE equal to area of CDE between same parallel lines and having common base. Now, area of ADE upon BDE, 1 by 2 base into height, 1 by 2 base into height. Same, cancel AD upon BD. Next, ADE upon CDE, 1 by 2 AE into DM, 1 by 2 CE into DM, cancel AE upon CE. From 1, 2 and 3, these two area part equal, therefore AD upon BD equal to AE upon EC. This is the very important theorem of the chapter triangles. Next, its converse. The converse of Thales theorem. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. If the ratio is same, AD upon BD equal to AE upon EC, therefore the line will be parallel to the third side. The given AD upon BD equal to AE upon EC. If D is not parallel to BE, draw a line another DE dash parallel to BC. If we draw this line parallel DE dash to the BC, therefore the ratios according to the Thales theorem, AD upon BD equal to AE dash upon E dash C. If this line parallel, then the ratio becomes, by the Thales theorem, AD upon BD equal to AE dash upon E dash C. This part equal to AD upon BD, AD upon AD. Therefore, AE upon EC equal to AE dash upon CE dash. Adding both side 1. AE plus EC, AE plus EC upon CE, AE dash plus CE dash upon CE dash. We get AC upon CE equal to AC upon CE dash. When this will be possible? When E and E dash will coincide to each other. Then CE equal to CE dash. If AC common equal, then CE equal to CE dash. This gives a contradiction because a part cannot be equal to the whole. The above supposition is wrong. Hence, straight line L is parallel to the BC. Clearly, we can say that E and E dash point coincide with each other. Therefore, only DE line parallel to the base BC. Only one line can parallel to the base. So, if the line divides in the ratio, it means then the line is parallel to the third side. Thank you. This is the converse of the Thales theorem. Thank you.